Good morning everyone, welcome back again to another episode of our bike ride here in Quezon City. So today papunta tayo sa Lamesa Nature Reserve. Kasama ko ang aking grupo, which is the Trailheads and other folks na na-invite natin dun sa ride, since you need to at least have 10 folks to accommodate the booking sa Lamesa Nature Reserve. So right now I'm not sure kung ma-accommodate kami for the whole route, since there are routes down na possibly nasarado today, but approximately our target today will be about 30 to 40 kilometers inside the Lamesa. But as far as I know, 50 kilometers in total route na pwede nyong ikutin sa Lamesa. And syempre, ang pinaka-highlight doon is yung view deck na makikita niyo yung Lamesa Dam. 3 times na ako nakapunta doon, and this will be my 4th time, but ever since nag-ride, since the first time I rode there, ito lang siguro, ito yung magiging first time na makikita ko yung view deck na yun. So excited pa rin ako kasi hindi ko siya talaga nakikita, even though nakailang beses na. So tara, samahan nyo kami, and I'll let you guys inform kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin bago kayo makapunta doon. So tara, samahan nyo ako. There are 3 things that you guys need to remember pag magpapabook kayo dito. So first is try to contact them on their Facebook page, and then after that you need to call them or text them to confirm your booking if it's already secured. And after that, of course, you need to make sure na at least 10 folks kayo to secure one booking dito sa Lamesa Nature Reserve. So they need to have at least 10 folks, and then that's 200 pesos each. Para meron na rin kayong tour guide for your safety, of course. So makikita nyo sa loob, for those first time na hindi pa nakakita dito, medyo manipis ang hangin sa loob given na maraming puno. And right now we're currently at 14 folks na mag-ride sa group namin, and then we'll have one guide, and that's it. So yeah, enjoy lang tayo. We're assembling here on the jump off, and then after ride out na. So the route will be the single track daw muna, and then huli na yung Lamesa Dam view deck. Tingnan natin. on the third rest station, which is the BANGKALAN. Hitting ito na yung view, stopover bago yung view deck, and then later dire-diretso na for the technical duties part. now approaching the view deck dito sa Lamesa Nature Reserve. So we're about 25 kilometers out for 35 kilometers I think yung ruta namin, more or less. So after ng view deck, return na sa HQ, then we'll have our lunch. So para sa mga nagpaplano ng punta dito, okay naman siya. It's newbie friendly, and if in any case na hindi na kaya, pwede naman mag-bail out. So yun yung kagandahan pag may guide kayo, kasi pwede nilang i-radyo if in any case na magkaroon ng issue or someone need to bail out at magpasundo to return to HQ. So that's one advantage pag may guide kayo. So right now we're approaching the Lamesa view deck, and let's see, it's gonna be my first time going there, given na 4th time ko na to dito. So okay. Tilapia oh. Pagtatadyakan ko itong mga to eh.
Utusan to no. Tangina. Ano yan?
Okay, so we're now here at the Lamesa Nature Reserve view deck. Napaka peaceful. So it's my first time going in here. And for those people na again nagpaplano na magpunta dito, especially if it's your first time, I suggest na magbaon kayo ng maraming tubig since walang mga nagtitinda sa loob ngayon dahil pinagbawalan since pandemic. So right now kami lang talaga yung nandito, and good thing na dun sa may VIA logo gate may igiba ng tubig, or rather drinking fountain na pwede nyong igiba ng tubig para magkaroon ng reserva hanggang makabalik sa HQ. So here, napakaganda, napaka worth it ng lugar, peaceful and worth it. Sa mga tao na nalilito, this is Lamesa Nature Reserve, and merong isa yung Lamesa Eco Park. So Lamesa Eco Park is a park na pwedeng pasyalan ng family and all. Although pwede rin naman to, pero Lamesa Nature Reserve is different from Lamesa Eco Park. So Lamesa Eco Park is on the other side, nasa bandang North Fairview siya, and ito naman, ang entry nito is nasa Quirino Highway. So there's a difference between the two, take note of that. If you're going to Lamesa Nature Reserve, it's more of biking, trekking and running. Lamesa Eco Park is more on running, may swimming pool din, and other activities na pwede nyo gawin. But both worth it, napakaganda. Tingnan yung view. So there, habol tayo sa kanila. Uphill, then return to HQ. Let's go! Alright, so I think that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in on another episode of our bike ride here in Lamesa Nature Reserve. So ngayon pauwi na. We were able to complete 25 kilometers only iba sarado daw. So the guide that we had weren't able to accommodate yung full route sana na gusto namin since medyo tinanghali na at mainit na sa loob. So better yet, bumalik na kami, pero at least I was able to go to the view deck at last. It's my 4th time going there, pero kanina ko lang na saksihan or na nakita yung view deck doon. And sa mga nagpaplano magpunta, it's very newbie friendly, and halos lahat ng mga kailangan nyo nandun na. So just make sure that when you go there, you set a booking first and then confirm if successful yung booking nyo. And then after nun, once you've confirmed your booking, then punta na. After nun, yun, ride na. Register, get a guide, and then after ride, pwede actually maglinis ng bike doon. May naglilinis din ng mga bisikleta, and then pwede kayong maligo, mag-shower to freshen up kung galing kayo sa malayo. And also, pwedeng kumain. Like yung ginawa namin kanina, nagdala na lang kami ng food para at least maibsan naman yung pagod namin after ng ride. So it's a very quick ride. Na-enjoy naman namin, at least chill lang, no? So yun, I think that's it. Thank you again. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you guys in our next ride. Cheers.